HNN House, a sophisticated residence designed by Hernández Silva Arquitectos in Zapopan, Mexico. Completed in 2016, this 702-square-meter home is a study of balance between mass and lightness, openness and privacy, and between the natural slope of the site and the architecture that responds to it. From the very first glance, the house presents itself not as a statement of excess, but as a controlled, deliberate exploration of space. The journey begins at street level, where the main entrance and parking area are positioned. Here, the architects establish the first of several carefully calibrated platforms that guide the visitor through the home. A half-level descent leads into the central living area, creating a subtle sense of procession. This shift in elevation not only follows the land's natural contours but also enhances the spatial hierarchy within the house. At the center of the home lies its most dramatic feature, a double-height volume spanned by a floating bridge. This bridge connects the living room to the dining area, turning circulation into a moment of architectural theater. One side opens onto a tranquil interior courtyard with a retractable roof, while the other side frames the lush backyard garden and distant views toward the Zapopan skyline. The social areas are designed to dissolve the boundaries between inside and outside. Large sliding glass panels open fully, merging the living, dining, and terrace areas into one continuous L-shaped environment. This configuration embraces the garden and maximizes natural ventilation, blurring the line between architecture and landscape, a key design strategy throughout the project. The kitchen is positioned as both a functional and spatial anchor. Connected directly to the terrace, it becomes part of the outdoor living experience, ideal for gatherings and daily family use. Below this level, guest accommodations are discreetly integrated into the terrain. Exterior steps guide visitors downward, maintaining privacy while preserving the openness of the site. Private spaces unfold through a sequence of staggered half-levels, accessed by a secondary internal staircase. Each bedroom is designed with its own orientation, capturing different light conditions and views. The primary suite floats above the garden, offering a serene moment of seclusion, while other rooms face the street or southern exposure, all protected by a delicate wooden lattice that filters light and ensures privacy. Materiality plays a key role in defining the identity of HNN House. The architects employ exposed concrete, textured stone walls, and warm parota wood to create a palette that feels both grounded and refined. This blend of tactile surfaces reinforces the home's architectural contrasts, solid yet welcoming, monumental yet intimate. HNN House is ultimately a meditation on spatial layering, natural light, and the quiet drama of movement. It is a residence designed not merely to be seen, but to be experienced through shifting levels, changing views, and a constant dialogue with the landscape. In every detail, the home reflects a deep respect for its site and a sophisticated understanding of how architecture can shape the way we live.